So today we're picking dandelions. Everybody knows that's a dandelion, or should know. Tell by the jagged leaves, tells all different kinds. See, these are buds here that haven't opened yet. We're picking them too because these are loaded with extra stuff because they haven't bloomed yet. So they haven't exhausted their resources, but we're throwing the whole thing in here, and then we're gonna freeze dry it and make a dandelion powder for nutrition. So here we go, we have the dandelions out of the freeze dryer now. It's kind of neat, I don't know if you can hear it. It sounds like Rice Krispies. Not quite sure why. I have to research it. Maybe they're not 100% dry, but they're dry enough for what we need them to do. So now we're going to just put them all in a blender and make a powder out of them. So here we go. We got 1 quart of dandelions, and we're going to put this in a vacuum. Because it's such a fine powder and it makes a mess when you're trying to pour, what we're going to do is just put it in a very slight vacuum, unlike a lot of other things that we put in a vacuum, because when you take the lid off, this stuff is going to try and escape, because the air is going to push in the jar and push everything back out as the air tries to get back in the jar. So we'll just put it under 5 inches of vacuum and that should be good. And still made the sound.